Good morning, children. Today in our class we are going to revise our chapter division. Okay, we will revise it again. So children, in the board I had made some toffees. Toffees, that is chocolate. Some toffees I made. You can see these toffees. So first see the total number of toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many toffees can be seen? 6 toffees. Okay. Suppose you are having 2 persons at home. That is 2 children. How many children? 2 children. Okay. So this toffees has to be distributed among these two children equally. How they have to be distributed equally. इसका मतलब जो भी टॉफीज है 6 टॉफीज को हमको 2 बच्चों में 2 चिल्ड्रंस में बराबर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. हाउ? सी 3 टॉफीज 1 चिल्ड्रन को जाएगा. ओके. देन अगेन 3 टॉफीज सेकेंड चाइल्ड को जाएगा. ओके. 3 टॉफीज 1 चाइल्ड को जाएगा और फिर 3 टॉफीज इट विल गो टू द सेकेंड चाइल्ड. ओके. ओवरऑल इफ वी सी दिस 3 and 3 बिकम 6. मतलब इसी चीज को हम डिवाइड किए हैं 2 पार्ट्स में, क्योंकि 2 बच्चे हैं, 2 चिल्ड्रन आर देयर, सो इट इज डिवाइडेड इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. तो 3 1 चाइल्ड को जाएगा, फर्स्ट चाइल्ड को, एंड अगेन 3 इट विल गो टू द सेकेंड चाइल्ड. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिविजन. व्हाट इट इज? दिस इज द प्रोसेस व्हाट वी डू इन द डिविजन. हमको डिविजन में क्या करना रहता है? वी हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर्स इक्वली बराबर मिलना चाहिए. ओके. दिस इफ they have both the children or child has to be get this amount of toffees equally, बराबर दोनों को मिलेगा. Okay. How you will write down in mathematical form? Total, what is the number? 6. Okay. Then it is been divided into how many persons? 2 persons. Okay. ये 6 टॉफीज को हमको 2 बच्चों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना था. तो पहले क्या लिखेंगे? टोटल नंबर ऑफ जो भी पार्ट्स है उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. जो टोटल है, टोटल कितना है? 6. देन दिस इज द डिविजन साइन. यस, व्हाट इट इज? दिस इज द डिविजन साइन. देन आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? जितने पर्सन में डिवाइड करना है, रिटर्न इक्वल टू हाउ मच ईच पर्सन गेट. एक को कितना मिला है? 3. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर 3. ओके. 6 divided by 2, how it is written as? 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 6 को हम 2 पर्सन में डिवाइड करेंगे तो it will comes answer as 3. Okay. This is the process how we have to do in the division. So children, our next question is 10 balloon has to be divided into 2 children. That means 10 balloons को आपको 2 बच्चों में distribute करना है. So how you are going to write down this? 10 divided by 2. Okay. How you are writing down? 10. Then put the division sign. Then the number 2. Okay. Then we have to find the answer. 10 is the larger number. Okay. You cannot make it that how to divide. If the larger number is there, we have to use the multiplication table. एक और method है multiplication table. What we have to do? We have to read the table of 2. Which table? Table of multiplication table of 2. So this is the form 10 divided by 2 you are writing. After that you have to write down this 10 under and here 2. Okay. This 10 inside this bracket and 2 outside. You have to read the multiplication table of 2. Let us read it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay. 2 5s are 10. See, question arises. आपको पता कैसे चलेगा कि आपको हाउ मेनी अप टू वेयर यू हैव टू रीड द टेबल. जो नंबर दिया है 10, अगर वो नंबर आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है देन अप टू देयर यू हैव टू स्टॉप एंड stop reading the table. Okay, 10 हमको मिल गया यहाँ, so we are stopping at this. 2 5s are 10. So we got 10 here and 2. Already we have multiplication, reading the table of multiplication table of 2. 2 5s are 10. So कितने सा आएगा? 2 5s are 10. How many times? So 10 is coming in 2 5 times. So this 5 we are going to write down above like this, and this 10 we will write down it again, and what we have to do, we have to subtract it. क्या करेंगे? This 5 we will write down upside, and this 10 will write down again below the number 10. We will subtract and find the answer. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0. We are writing only 1 0 here. So student understood how to place the numbers? First from you have to write down from as it question is given like this, you have to write down in this way. Then multiplication, read the table of multiplication, whatever the number asked. Then from there you have to subtract the numbers, choose the times and subtract the numbers and find the answer. So children, this is the division process. In this, what this 0 is called as? Let us see what the each number is called as. This 0 is called as the remainder. What it is called as? Remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. This is called as remainder. Then this 5 is called as quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. This Q is called, this 5 is called as quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Okay, this one is called as quotient and this one is called as remainder. Okay, this 2 is called as divisor. What it is called as? Divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. This 2 is called as divisor. इसका मतलब जिसका टेबल हमको पढ़ना है, जिससे हमको डिवाइड करना है, that is called as divisor. So what else left children? This 2 divisor, this 0 is called as remainder, 5 will be coming under question. So क्या बचा? 10. So this 10 is called as dividend. This 10 is called as dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. I am repeating, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend. Again let us see children. 10 divided by 2 दिया है. This 10 is जिसको डिवाइड करना है, dividend, that is called as dividend. जिसके टेबल हमको पढ़ना है, that is called as divisor. That we are writing after outside this bracket. Then 10 लिखे. Then जितना टाइम्स आएगा जिसके टेबल में, 2 के टेबल में 5 टाइम्स है, so this 5 we are writing and as the question, and whatever the answer we are getting after subtraction, that is called as remainder. What it is called as? Remainder. So that's all of today's class. Thank you.